Are you ready to boost your career in C programming? Welcome to ELEATION's C Basic to Professional Training Program, where your journey as a skilled engineer begins. If you're passionate about coding but struggling to turn that passion into a career, you're not alone. Many students and professionals face the same challenges: finding the right job, securing internships, and balancing learning with their busy lives. That's where we come in. Introducing ELEATION's C Basic to Professional Training Program. A program designed to equip you with the practical skills, real-world experience, and support you need to build a strong foundation in programming and take your career to the next level. Let's take a closer look at what this program offers. Our program includes 18 comprehensive chapters and over 100 video sessions. Whether you are balancing study with work or other commitments, our program is designed with flexibility in mind, allowing you to learn at your own pace through industry-level assignments, easy to understand videos, and comprehensive theory PDFs. To make your learning journey easier, we also provide you with downloadable resources, PDFs, diagrams, code examples, and projects that you can access anytime, anywhere. C programming is at the core of innovation across diverse industries. From mechanical and electrical engineering to automotive, aerospace, and biotechnology, C plays a significant role in system-level development. But it doesn't stop there. MBA students can benefit from C by understanding how to leverage technology in business solutions. Commerce professionals can explore data analysis and financial modeling, while MSc and BSc students in science and pharmacy can use C for research simulations, lab automation, and bioinformatics. Whether you are in management, healthcare, or IT, mastering C programming opens doors to solving complex problems in your field and beyond. Now, let's explore the training content. You'll start with the basics: syntax, structure, data types, and variables. As you progress, you'll dive deeper into advanced topics like pointers, file handling, and memory management. This step-by-step approach ensures you build the skills and confidence you need. You'll also get hands-on experience with data structures such as arrays, strings, stacks, queues, and trees, as well as advanced concepts like networking, multi-threading, and debugging techniques. Finally, you'll master the C standard library using best practices relevant to today's industry. ELEATION's C training program offers a range of features designed to ensure a comprehensive and flexible learning experience. You'll enjoy lifetime access to the entire course content, allowing you to revisit lessons anytime, at your own pace. Our program includes detailed step-by-step video tutorials on how to install the necessary software and extensions to efficiently run C programs, ensuring you're fully prepared from the start. Upon completion, you'll receive an industry-recognized training certificate, demonstrating your expertise in C programming, highly valued across multiple industries. Engage in industrial internship projects that mirror real-world challenges, allowing you to gain hands-on experience and sharpen your technical skills. Once your projects are complete, you'll receive an internship letter, a letter of recommendation, and an experience letter, all of which will be invaluable when entering the job market. We provide ongoing technical support from industrial professionals, helping you resolve any queries you have related to C programming. And when it's time to step into the job market, we'll guide you through soft skills training, including how to write professional emails, optimize your LinkedIn profile, and create a standout resume to land interviews. Let's explore how our self-learning, video-based training compares to traditional physical and online live programs. ELEATION offers self-paced, pre-recorded video lessons that allow you to learn at your convenience, whether you are balancing work, study, or personal commitments. In contrast, physical and live online programs often require you to follow strict schedules, which can be challenging to manage. Our training content has been developed by a team of over 40 CTOs from top companies, ensuring a broad and in-depth perspective on real-world industry practices. Many other programs are developed by a single instructor, limiting the variety and expertise offered. With ELEATION, you don't just receive a training certificate. We provide a complete set of credentials, including an internship letter, letter of recommendation, and experience letter. All designed to give you a competitive edge when seeking job opportunities. Many other programs offer only a basic training certificate. Our program is available at an affordable price, providing a complete, high-quality learning experience. This is far more cost-effective than many other programs, which often charge much higher fees for fewer features. Ready to begin your journey? Here's how to register for ELEATION's C Basic to Professional Training Program. Pay the registration fee of 1000 rupees by scanning the QR code on your screen. Within 24 hours, check your email to access the program and begin learning at your own pace. As you progress through the training, you'll work towards earning your training certificate. After completing the internship projects, you'll be eligible to receive your internship letter, experience letter, and letter of recommendation. After completing training and internship, we will start with the placement process. Don't miss this opportunity to solve the challenges holding you back, whether it's landing a job or getting a promotion, securing an internship, or balancing learning with a busy schedule. Join ELEATION's C Basic to Professional Training Program today, and take the first step towards a successful career in programming. Register now and take advantage of limited time discounts. If you need any updates or information, feel free to contact us at support@eleation.com. For more details on our training, internships, and placement programs, visit www.eleation.com or follow us on LinkedIn, YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook.